Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today it's finally the time. I'm leaving to Pune and then Shirdi. The time is currently around 8 o'clock and first I'll be heading towards Dharwad, and today night I'll be staying there. Dharwad from here, I guess it's around 460 kilometers. As per Google Maps, it's showing 8.5 hours. I guess we'll cover it inside it. So stay tuned guys, I'll say my route plan when I'm on the bike. It's close to 8 o'clock and I've packed everything. I have to mount it in the bike and then get up and then leave. Stay tuned guys for more upcoming exciting vlogs. I'll catch you guys on the bike.
Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm currently on the way to Pune finally, and I heard that in morning news that it is raining in this Pune highway, Mumbai-Pune highway. So yeah, what was I saying? So I heard that it's raining in Mumbai-Pune highway and it's flooded up a bit. I'll go to Dharwad today, and from there tomorrow I'll leave to Pune. So if the situation is same and the roads are flooded up, then maybe I'll change my route, and my destination is Shirdi and maybe Lonavala too. I'll reach Lonavala. And tequila is good. Yesterday I gave for a small general service in the BMW showroom, and to my surprise it costed only 1,500 bucks. First time in BMW it costed so low. So yeah, I have to fuel tequila up, I have to feed her. There are only 2 sticks, so I'll feed her the usual 95. The climate is currently dull and now the sun is raising up. The time is currently 8:32 AM, and from here Dharwad is around 430 to 460 kilometers, and as per Google Maps, as I said, it's taking around 8.5 hours. I'll be cruising in the normal speed, and yeah, I even heard that when I enter the Maharashtra border, the cops like pull you out too much. So let me see whatever it is. I have to take a small diversion to feed tequila. Near my home I was getting XP95, but unfortunately nowadays they are not getting it up. I don't know why they stopped it. Maybe like most of them are not using XP95. So yeah, I've taken a small diversion which should take me around 5 to 10 minutes extra, and again I'll join the normal Pune highway from Bangalore. It goes through Nelmangla. I hope it's not flooded anywhere, and yesterday night it was raining cats and dogs in Bangalore. I'm hoping it won't rain till I reach Dharwad, fingers crossed. I don't want the rain to come up. Yeah, the sun is up, sun is raising up. I'll catch you guys after fueling up tequila. Stay tuned guys. Hey guys, I've fueled up and I came a while. I'm near Yashwantpur road and it started drizzling little. Morning itself it's drizzling. I don't know how it will be further. I've got all my rain gears, but I don't want it to rain. I have to get a riding shoe. I have a city riding shoe, but again I got it, the same one which I was using. Seriously guys, if anyone needs a city riding shoe in budget, do check it out. I'll leave the link below. It's from the brand Ergo Italy, and it's seriously so awesome. I just loved it and I'm still loving it. This is my second pair. So after reaching Bangalore, I'm planning to buy a proper riding shoe. And from next ride, obviously even the V-Storm will be with me. My brother will be riding it, and me too sometimes. I'm just waiting for the first service to be done of the V-Storm, because they always say that when one person rides the bike until the engine sets, then it's good, it's better, it gives better performance, it gives better mileage, and it's good for the engine too. So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. Don't give your bikes much, new bikes much. Give it only when the engine is set and maybe at least 2000 to 3000 kilometers is done. See these cars, like so good they are. Oof, just see this car, guys. I'm just loving it. And there is a dog inside this car. Do you see that? I'm not sure if it's visible in the GoPro. It's standing behind on the parcel tray. It's Mercedes 220S. Awesome it is. Cool. Nice, man. I could see lots of old vehicles. I guess they are going to some car show, I believe. Oh, see these cars. It's seriously awesome. Cool. Okay, right. So here's an update, guys. I am very close by to Chitradurga. So yeah, this is my first stop after home. So the time is currently 11:32 AM and yeah, I want a chai badly and I'm hungry too a bit. Maybe I'll have something. So I've stopped here. Tea there. On. Hey guys, here is a short update. I'm near to Chitradurga. Actually, I've crossed it, and the time is currently 11:55 AM. Yeah, I gave a short chai break, and after that I left from there, and now I'm riding towards Hubli, Dharwad. So I'm not sure how much time will it take. I'm cruising in a normal speed from 80 to 100, and the climate is very sunny. I'm sweating inside like a pig, but the view is amazing. I could see many windmills over there. I guess next we will be getting those windmills on our way. And the interesting part is that while drinking tea, I just there was a person nearby, near me, who was drinking tea, and he had come in a Pulsar 180 or 150. So he was asking about the rate of this bike and then about the mileage, how much does it give. And then I said, yeah, it gives around 28 to 30, but the tank size is like 11.5 liters. And he was shocked. He was like, for my Pulsar, the tank size is 18 or something. I'm not sure whether he's saying it correctly. I'm just saying. I didn't cross verify. He was like, it's 18. And I said, yeah, like this BMW, outside it is big, the tank is big, but inside it's only 11.5 liters. So yeah, while traveling you will get some interesting matters and interesting memories and conversations. Hey guys, I guess you'll be seeing this in my Hampi vlog. This same route it was, and I did show you this beautiful scenery and even the windmills ahead. It's so awesome. Again, from very far, this after coming into this flyover, you'll see a very beautiful view in the right hand side. It's seriously so awesome and amazing. I love this windmill stuff. For Chitradurga, I guess it's straight. For Hubli also it's straight, but for Hampi I had to take a right after this. So yeah, let's feed up Tequila. It's time to feed her up. ಫುಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಾಂ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಫುಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ Water. Number plate. So now we are leaving. Fuel is done. Hey guys, just now I've done with my lunch. The time is currently 1:41 p.m. and from here Hubli is around 132 kilometers, so I guess it will take around 1.5 to 2 hours maybe. So yeah, it's seriously damn hot sunny guys. Obviously like Hubli Dharwad, always it will be sunny, and I'm not used to warm weathers. As I was brought up in Ooty, I can bear cold but not heat. Here it's very humid. Oh, bhidi chalaiye. Finally we are entering Hubli city. So from here I don't know how much time it will take to the room, and I'll be staying in Dharwad today. And everyone said me to be very careful while riding in Hubli Dharwad, because there is an intersection which goes to Goa and it's very dangerous. I heard so. Let's be careful. Hey guys, this is actually inside Hubli city, and one thing I liked about this city is that you see that lane in the right side, that is bus lane actually. So this one is a bus lane. None of the vehicles are allowed there, private vehicles. For us it is this lane, like the service road. So yeah, that thing is good actually. Buses don't come over this side, but I can see few government buses too in ahead front of me. So not sure like what kind of bus will go in that road, right side road. But seriously guys, as people said, don't get me wrong, if anyone is watching from Hubli or Dharwad, I'm just hating these people driving or riding. I don't know, they are not seeing mirrors, suddenly they are coming in the middle. I didn't say like everyone are like that, but some of them, mostly, they are just coming in the middle. Many times I had to like put sudden brake, so it's bad. Whoever it is, ride safe guys. And I'm close by to my room, it's just 6 minutes away. So I hope there is a private parking. I asked for a private parking. Let me see if it is available, because Takila, obviously I can't park her outside just like that.